Today, I'm showing you how to find someone on Instagram by picture on your Android device using reverse image search. Let's get started. Important note: Instagram doesn't have a built-in reverse image search feature. You'll need to use Google Lens to search for the person's profile. Step 1. Open Google app. Open the Google app on your Android phone. Step 2. Access Google Lens. In the Google search bar, tap the camera icon on the right side. This opens Google Lens for reverse image searching. Step 3. Upload. Tap Upload or the gallery icon to select a photo from your Android device. Step 4. Select Image. Choose the photo of the person you want to find on Instagram from your gallery. Step 5. Crop Image. Optional. If you want to focus on a specific person's face, crop the image to show only their face. This improves search accuracy. Step 6. Search. Google Lens analyzes the image and searches for similar images across the web, including Instagram profiles if they're publicly indexed. Step 7. Review results. Google shows results with similar images. Look through the results for Instagram profiles, social media links, or websites featuring the person. Step 8. Check Instagram links. If the person has a public Instagram account with photos indexed by Google, their profile may appear in the search results. Tap on Instagram links to view their profile. And that's it. You've learned how to find someone on Instagram by picture using Google Lens reverse image search on your Android device.